What's described in this question is the digitization for a CD player. So it's the digitization of the audio that's to be recorded on a CD player. And we're given 3 bits of information. We're given the sample rate, we're given the bit depth of the quantizer, and we're given the time, the duration of the track that we're digitizing. And the question is, how many bits, how much data are we generating? So every second, if we're sampling at 44.1 seconds, every second we're generating that number of samples. So Fs equals 44.1 thousand. That's how many samples we're generating every second. And each of these samples is turning into n bits, so 16 bits. So we have n multiplied by Fs samples bits every second. And if you multiply that by the number of seconds you have, t, that'll give you the number of bits. So it's like saying the number of bits is equal to the number of bits per sample multiplied by the number of samples per second multiplied by the number of seconds. So you end up with the number of bits. So we simply multiply the 3 numbers that we're given. So the bit depth multiplied by the sample rate multiplied by the total time. So the total number of bits equals, so n equals 16 times 44,100 times 12 and times 60, because we've got 12 minutes. So if you multiply that in a calculator, you get the number of bits that you need to record, and that's 508032000. So that's your total number of bits. That's how many bits you need to record a 12-minute CD track. Now the question says mono simply because if you have a stereo track, then you'll need twice the number of bits. So that's your final answer.